は東京リベンジャーズでやってきたんだけど、今回は推しの子でやっていきたいと思います。もちろんね、愛ちゃんから始まり、アクア、ルビー、そしてね、中宗ちゃんとかメムチョとかいろいろ描いていきたいなと思うんですけど、どこまで描けるか、そしてどんな絵が完成するのか楽しみにしていてください。過去にはこんな感じの東京リベンジャーズのイラストや、こんな感じの鬼滅の刃のイラストが出来上がってます。今回はどんなイラストになるのかお楽しみに。それでは早速描いていこう。
Stuff away and check out for the day. There's no time to waste when it's 100 degrees. Burns under my feet. Won't you have a drink with me? We head into town, see what it's about. Barely need a shirt though the sun has almost set. Make the most of it. I know we will dance and sing.There's a heat wave rolling in. There's a heat wave, yeah. There's a party in the streets and the city's on fine.Just gotta say it, get it off of my chest. Even if it's something that I'll probably regret. I've fallen way too deep. Don't pity me, please. 아무리 기다려봐도 울리지 않는 번호들. Oh no, am I sinking again? 취해버린 나 다 잊으려 해봐도 잘 안 돼. Cause you are still on my mind. Yeah. Try my best to forget what it felt like before I made this mess. We had a good thing, but I threw it away, and it's all on me. Too blind to see you're the only one who truly cared about me, and I guess that's what I get. Yeah, I guess that's what wasted and lonely's a bad combination. Can you say you miss me too? 'Cause I think I'm still in love with you. With you. With you. With you. 'Cause I think I'm still in love with you. You gotta listen up, listen up. There's not a thing that I can't get from you. Boy, I don't need that much, need that much. How can I tell you what I wanna do? I never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts or diamond rings. All I ever need, all I ever need is here with you. There's a place where we can go.
はい、ということで完成して色調整したのがこちら、じゃじゃーん。シャーペンでやっていくとね、濃淡が出せるのでいいですね。本当にシャーペン1本でね、ひたすら描き続けた割にはめちゃくちゃいい絵になったんじゃないでしょうか。今まで描いたね「鬼滅の刃」とか、東京リベンジャーズの時と同じぐらいなんですけど、女性キャラがね多いっていうのがあったので、私的にはすごく描きやすくて楽しかったです。ぜひね、みんなもシャーペン1本で縛りで、紙いっぱいにねイラスト描いてみてください。意外と根気がいるんですが、出来上がった時の感動はもう本当にめちゃくちゃあるんで、ぜひ皆さんチャレンジしてみてください。今回のイラストも良かった、かわいい、上手に描けてる、えっちゃんすごいって思った方はぜひコメントくれたら嬉しいです。それでは皆さん、またお会い